Welcome back to this episode of Smash Engineering. Today is Father's Day, so I want to wish a happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and hope you guys are having a great day. Probably won't be released on Father's Day, but I'm recording it on Father's Day nonetheless. So today I'm going to be showing, hopefully, how to fix the Intex chlorine generator. I'll put the model, I'll put a picture of what it is right here if I remember, but recently we had some thunderstorms and things, and since then the plug isn't working, or the unit's not working, and I don't exactly know what is wrong. I have a theory, but if you come in here, you can see it's plugged in here and nothing.
Smash Engineering.
Now, the first thing I would recommend doing in this situation is making sure that whatever your extension cord is plugged into, because this isn't really the exact proper way to run the chlorine generator, but whatever it's plugged into, you need to make sure that you have power coming to the plug. That is the first thing to check. So the first thing I'm going to check is whether there's power. Also, check if it will reset or not here. Best way to check if there's power, if you're not up near the thing, is to plug something in, like a light, and as you can see, the light came on. So if this is unplugged, this is plugged in. I don't know if it shows up on the camera or not, but it's plugged in, so there's power here. So that tells us that there's power. So the next logical thing to go to would be throw the whole thing away in the garbage and buy a new one and be done with it. Or you can log into YouTube and click on Smash Engineering and watch a video. My theory is, and from what I've read, some of the electronics on these are cheaper and inferior, and they have issues with them. So what I did is I bought a replacement plug end here, and let's see if I can put it out of here. Looks like almost the same exact one too. I'll put a picture of the one that I got on here, hopefully right now, if I'm editing properly. But basically, it's a replacement GFCI end. So you got your reset and your test buttons here, and it's going to replace this one. So we're going to go over how to do that, and hopefully this helps you out. Hopefully this fixes it. I obviously haven't done it yet. We're recording this in real time, so we're going to see how it works. All right, with that replaced, Now we're going to go ahead and plug it into our power and see what happens. And instantly, we're back in business. So this is the original here. And this is our replacement. Oh, it even has a light on the new. Oh, though I guess the old one had a light too. Yeah, so that's going to wrap up this episode. I hope you all have a great day. I hope this video finds you well, and I appreciate you watching. If you could throw me a thumbs up, throw me a like, throw me a comment down in the comment section how this might have helped you. I do read every single comment, and I love seeing that these videos help somebody. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.